Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
We're gonna share the video, make it go viral. Make una share and make it go viral. Una see the topic when I arrive for there. Naija Wash, Ejigi Pikin, Elvis Ejigi from Naija Wash, the director, the CEO of Naija Wash, the blogger of Naija Wash, now be Elvis Ejigi. This Elvis Ejigi, so my country people, no video wey no dey blog. He dey claim say na he be good pikin. Me, if you know say if I can't tell una say na so this thing be, my Benin people na so it be. I go close to this Elvis Ejigi, where they introduce me to am, they open page for me. When I know say the page today, they try to defend am. All the old people wey dey for his hands, where Elvis Ejigi dey mobilize for, they want try come and come the defend am and say no be him. New generation prophet Atiti, Elvis Ejigi, Naija Wash. Some of your apprentices don't come and say na there. Where you teach work, where you teach how to act, how to block. Some of your apprentices don't come out. Say na there. Now I can't tell say me block me. Now they can't block me. If the whole world believe you, say na if you done, I block me, not the me they tell you say Elvis Ejigi, you go give me my page. In my head that you fear mubo, in my head that you fear mubo. Anybody come in now, I go respond to anybody. I go take the joke, I'll tell them the facts. But I dey prove am to come out for Benin people, say you be bad person, Elvis Ejigi. I dey prove am, they come out for the Benin people, say you be bad person, you not be good pikin. Now you me I come for. Because you block my page, because say I talk to you, say you do bad. So, if you dey help me, if you do bad, I don't fit tell you say you do bad. Now you want to try to tell me. Elvis, if you dey do bad, and you say they help me, so I not go tell you say they do bad. Say what you they do no good, I not be that kind of person. I tell you, I say I'm be new generation. If you do good, I'll tell you say you do good. If you do bad, I'll tell you say you do bad. Elvis Ejigi, Naija Wash, the CEO of Naija Wash. Because say I tell you say, as you do what you do, you're not good. Now you back me up, you come out your back off for my page. You can't give VA password. Wait after you don't change and don't catch you. If you say I not catch you for the post video, awful and awful every day, for the post video for there every day, you say now you get the page where you not suffer for. You dey eat my blood. You carry my video for so many years. I don't see worry. You see as that matter reach, I don't quit top put. That is your matter. The matter reach, I don't quit top put. But when I see where you wrong, I can't tell you. As I tell you finish, you block my page. You want to tell me say na if you done, I block my page now. Now want to tell me say na if you done, block my page. I disagree with you people. Naija Wash, you go give me my page. When you start to, that's when Imada so imada you feel mugbo e. Oga ba na ate ogunoba. Oga ba ate ogunoba. Ika nwe juice ne. Abe mo na odono. Imo yewa. So, people when they defend for you, all of them wanted to defend for you now. People when they defend for you, they want to you, they want to cover themselves. Say, make me come beg una. Who be una? When me want come beg Naija Wars. Naija Wars are wabira wabiyua. Naija Wars ikpa agboe. Naija Wars evoking what done in the community. You are a bad person to the community. As soon as talk and say people will not find me trouble because they attack them. Because what you know they do under the camera is very bad. The evil one they commit for the under the camera is very bad. Like Suzuki. I just see all of una the evil one they commit for back is very bad. That's why they attack all of una. Make una not get personal quarrel. Make una change for evil. I cannot be alive as I read so. Benin where I for come. Benin man go to punish Benin man. I go quiet. I must say the truth. Any artist they talk now, many people feel the verse. They say now what matter. Person will go talk truth. You know see close we go Azagba. Or mami ponjo yiko. So the truth when I call the tell them, when I tell them since then. They say make me come beg before they'll give me my page. Benin people are beg. Where the page when I they use now the new generation Prophet Atiti, the best of new generation. Atiti Prophet, the best of new generation. Now they use now. Make una go offload yourself for that page. I'm gonna come put them for this side. The truth must continue. We will not stop from the truth. In any year, we present the truth to the world. Because some of our Benin people, they are evil. Man and a woman in Benin community, they are evil to the community. They only know how to destroy. We cannot give them that chance again. So, any way they take come out because they abuse their father, their mother, we not answer them. But Naija Wars, you are going to give me my page. Over here digging, you are going to give me my page. I felt the talk and said the day when they will block my page for this social media. People go here and out. I felt the talk and I not say, I not talk since then. I can't set fire for under. I can't set fire for under. I can't set fire for under. The fire now, so I can't change the name. I can't prove them to the whole world. I can't prove them to the whole world. No, not say I not talk since then. I just do my underground. I do my underground. Yesterday now, I saw one and I can't come out. As soon as I come out yesterday now, I can't change and I catch you and I finish. The first video you people put there was Captain Osa Ogumbo, our great millionaire that died. Imagine at any Maka in there. Again, election during the time of election, I can't hear the name. Although so many people know him, he don't take with me come up for house. Before the name start to rain, me don't come up for house. Okumbo, Captain Osa Okumbo. Before me don't come up for house before the rain, the name can start to rain. Me no know him. Now junior election, I can't know him. You can't tell me, you can't go put the video for there. When I put the video for there finish, I can't take the video because Naija Wars. We will not break after Osa Ogbo Naija Wars. We will not break after Osa Ogbo Naija Wars. All big man Ogbo after Osa, all you walking Ogbo. Naija Wars. We are digging this. Why am I paging me? Why am I paging me? Bakaro. wa mo page me wa mi no manu evie dan wogun yen uti e o ugbene ya ye be wa gbene ya ye be umu gedi mo finu with hausa wa mu ge edi mo finu with hausa edi mo finu with hausa mugun me imugun menwa de gbe install e me be ri o we digin e mani ke katalo wa wiyan mi e mani ke katalo o yan lugan yan wa mo bogbo ma mo na gbo ma we digin iya wa mo bogbo amuna gbo ma una ka gbo we digin awa boa Elvis awa boa igba agbo e wa wori ya wa gbon ika agbo ma gbon be social media una blog video me e ma no we mi dan e ma no we ko una blog video me vis you call dey blog my video when I dey quarrel with people wey dey change you too bad I can't quarrel with you now you back me up you can't come out town they can't block my page say because I talk to you say you do bad now you want to tell people want to tell me say na if you block am wabira iwabi we if you are living we were over causa then omonekia noro ide no ni wa we wabo ni wa odo bibi ame ye odo bubu awe we no come the war o pe awaye ti abuzi abuzi no wu yagbon ni agbe yagbon ni abuzi ni wa gbe yagbon ni e waye ti o pe a ma wu wa no ada yi fie mu gbo e ma da yi fie mu gbo adegu wa ma hen wa hen if you can have a video we were trying na gwa boy if you apa obobo gelekin no feel omokwa okokiza na gba upowodo egbia gbe no feel omokwa ni menwa o no corrected dagbon ni menwa o no dia we were trying uwu ugeleme mene o magin ni wu wagbon ugu ogo twena ka we de money me bie upigbe aga ke viare vie if da we were trying o ta we na do not turning wa be monica wa no bi omo no man ra no bi omo je boy monica sun ibona you know want to give we the general we celebrate na wo wa doje gbe yunu we general we celebrate wa doje gbe yunu omo nu ma mu gira woju nu eta wo mo ga awon okira ore video nu wo mo ne kia wo mo ga awon na you say pikin dey grow e go dey resemble papa pick happy red no body yane o wa ge la gba upo do abe happy red ne o body yane o happy red wa appear like your thing why give defeat wa appear like your thing wa appear like your thing why give defeat wa appear like your thing wa appear like your thing wa appear in case wa go wa appear like your thing why give defeat wa o body yane abe la gba upo do wa share the video wa get vera ni nwa mekere yeah you appear red yeah they see the press red when I say whether they see the press red okay you appear red yeah you appear like your thing you appear wa appear like your thing wa appear like your thing you appear red wa appear red of it wa appear like your thing J boy Monica son ibona for you don't want to give the person picking whether we do gain ni kwemu ugoju nu eta we social media uwo mo ga awon okira no tano e pikin dey grow e go dey resemble papa go give you pikin papa omo mo go mu gi papa So mama go muge papa present invitation bets. La wa when you fear page ni we dey here CNN. Vie dan ovi omo bugbe. Nou ame gbeda wo edu, neda we conductor. Akpa obobo ewia. If we are celebrating Mother's Day, we are celebrating Mother's Day. Version asuen, ede Mother's Day asuen. When we are celebrating Mother's Day, we are celebrating Mother's Day. Okay, kakapot dame orion. Yagu wegwa bena. Waga video no wage go vera. If you're done, if we are celebrating Mother's Day, where we are celebrating Mother's Day. Umani buwe. Umani ni milaki kai. Or we best fly together. Best fly together. Omonika mama bamo we. Suzuki mama bob my way. When if you done mama bob mama way. Iye boy. Then I Ajekpako no abidino ki. Abe na gba gbogbo do abe gwiya. Awu no gwiya. Awu no fefo wan. Awu no mo fioto ufun. Da we na wu ani mbu mama mi ni mawa. Da we ne pisi arewo na gboya kuku gbe na siri opa. Ivie ni vie naja wash na do we ado mu iye naja wash wa mu nyaun nia. Iye naja wash wo amu nyaun. Gbe ne kwe mu me dede gbegu wegun an. We ka avie moja we edenia we Mother's Day. Uvie mo like agbeya we Mother's Day we ki du so agu megun an. Ikwoni ke be ate Mother's Day mo ede Mother's Day ikwoni ke iyan we mommy good morning happy Mother's Day. Then we tie kalekwa. They told me no when we come making we get aladian. Ya gave me a barrister tama we barrister Ikyo Yame. Go and watch the video. Are we a breast nurse? Are we a breast nurse more? Are we a breast nurse more? Or we the money we breast nurse? Oga moki we. Barrister Ikyo ya. Oga moki we. Are we a breastfeeding? Breastfeeding or breast nurse? Imagine we are we a shetty go pa walking yard the big video where Barrister Ikyo Yame, the best the video where go my fire brigade. Nigga with the pay where yard the big video ni. But what was I making? A page when I just watch it. Over digging. Oh, my page, me over digging mamma with page me. I got silly in a area. I want to tell the world this is the end of the breaking of page. A page is soon over the way. Over done Wagbasun with Dogu, we are blocking page. Oh, no, even as you go, oh, my God, Ijero of your mose ofinu gedo a page a YouTube na ofinu gedo ni ari o yaba na yeri o yaba de na naja watch mu o ya kin ogo fe ni ewere wa pobo ye we naja watch do we naja watch do we awo yo ana wo wa ogun ba ana mo naja watch o we no ko se naja watch suppose na do mu bogbe Naja washing igba even igba Suzuki. Igba Naja washing even igba Suzuki. Ijo gwa me no ma. O temi na ya ma me. Imariye. O wi ana wu dan hina we amasi koma. I even no ma ye. Igele do siko wa, ina do be wa to si wa hun. Uno ri awo wa, kin wa ma o ne wo ma. If you kalekwa, imagine you take 4 + 4 talk by there. Imagine there. Wa kaluwe kwa. Ekianu mamiewu obu eviena. Merida egbedogu wegun okonu kena atalosa huwe idegu na Jaguars oga mwe page me. Nekwemu Mother's Day iya hwe no ahwe Mother's Day abi near. Imagine the near with Mother's Day maybe a week or next month or next 2 months. Ya vie monu ya we Mother's Day. Ni mo atu a good morning with Mother's Day. Ugo da agwan webu. Omonekia ebe we ya gubana ya yagbon lo wo Omonekia. Ebi aso yu amama isun e ba ma de gbe sun. Lolo mo wegbo to no jawa. Lolo mo wegbo to no jawa. Every time at the movie now where the movie adeba. At the movie adeba. Ina see one at the movie mo wegbo to aga ya resene boni ya tene the movie because ya we matter the movie tamia. Ya braba the movie. Iviedan ama bio mede de guwegun Naija Wash CEO Naija Wash no blogger video no temper video me de gugun e do ame bo e Naija Wash omo e page gboto abawu ama se ya wari bere on ve. This one can't leak. As this one can't leak, you know what try to change the matter. Say na if you I can't change that to BBC Naija Wash. Naija Wash I work by. Agbe iko. Aleruna agbe ba iko. Iko we gbe ba na. Iko we gbe ba na Naija Wash I wa boa. Ikpa agbo. We have a page many me. When the page in you know why or wa wu fo ba ni emeji. Weno wajina wage wufu wake mure ona wufu ba ni emeji na gba ukpogodo Suzuki egwia we no gin egwia newo wa amegun yen no abadan oda fun no jo bo gbe destiny gba destiny oda fun ye Red Cross ogige Red Cross oda fi ye Suzuki gige no zipa. Ekwemwe awe better for worse, better to condemn owega who condemn enemy ebo moroki nu muhian ba we be bejono ebo moroki no re bejon nu muhiani wa be condemn be ban ebo moroki nu muhian no re bejon wa be condemn money bania because destiny killer wa Wari akpe adagbon wa obazulo amari enwon ite we ni dalu wa agbon yi ni na te mata ma wa mari ma wuwa no ivie dan omoti an owi omo gbugbe okon ni we do ke na ya talo sa we no pi red na ma be ga gbon we ni an we no pi red na ga duwe ki Obwege no yari ekini agmonke wo bomi we kinudo we no pi red na uga be bi mo obono pi red ni uga bi mo aji agbon na enable to go to the world and multiply una do multiply iyan ga do eki iyan ri e wo wi iyan ri e wo ta e boniti enu eni we no pi red do se no we no pi red do se no wo ta we no pire rejo se no we uga duwe ki uri e ope ni ke won rewe sin iye wo bono gba se ori asen situ we gbe ni awe jo pire red ogbewo we ogbewo gaso baga duwe ki bi gio wa we generation we na duwe ki bari e gbe me new generation duwe ki when me we generation we are working we no pay red na we ga bia na okua o una bia na ohu o boge ni ya ri useni ahwa agbon zaga yin abo eyo kan ajiru we no pay red ni imoni omro hin gwagunmi agbe iseyo obo no pay red ni. Here with those that kill with sword must only die with sword. What do pay red? A red we do pay near a sword. A sword in your hand work with your way or can go wason or can go avant. It might say man. If I call you there and the cost not go reach for your body, if I not call you, the cost must follow you for generation to generation. Now so it go be for you. That way press red. Here all we all avant, all son, all yori. You are born wow. Any man when he go quarrel, any woman will go quarrel for this one when I they do so. If the man do market for this life, you not go every time. If the woman do market, not go every time. If the generation do market, they not go every time, they not go reap with the soul. Man go to scatter for them, woman go to scatter for them. Because now me be prophet at the new generation. And if you do market where my person go scatter from my hand. Who be that man with the scatter market from my hand? Na nature wash. Edigin. Every say edigin. Izaga all lawe gbo all lawe gbo water. Evis. CEO of Naija Wash. Wabwa. So you people want to bend the matter. I mean, you cannot bend the matter. Whether if your mobile carry my page, I don't care to know. But Naija Wash must give me my page. Many years as I take course on yesterday, the death when he kick after Osa. Na big man when I kick after Osa. But Naija Wash, the death when he kick after Osa, the kind of sickness now go kill Naija Wash, now go the kill generation. Because what me suffer for? He say BBC Naija Wash. You go know the year. You don't come again, you will press red. You don't come again. Mona right. Make several people put in me because when I cause for people will carry red just tell me the cause follow that person will press red again. My people, una good evening. Cause in your woman. Benin people are full of wickedness. Some of the Benin people, they are evil. Evil stored in their hearts. What because of money, because of richness. Because they want to make it in the world. They don't have love for each other again. They don't have love for their blood sister. Talk close to their own blood brother. Talk close to outsiders. Naija Wash, you must give me my page. Wabwa, Ikmaagwe, Naija Wash. You are an evil. You must give me my page. People, good night. Why are you here?